Meaning of eco.
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 Eco. The prefix eco- is derived from the Greek word oikos, which means house or dwelling. In modern English, it has come to represent environmentalism or concern for the natural world. The use of eco- as a prefix indicates that something is linked to ecology, or the study of how living organisms interact with their environment. For example, ecosystem refers to the complex web of relationships between living and non-living things in a particular environment. Essentially, eco- suggests a focus on sustainability, conservation, and a harmonious relationship between human activity and the natural world.